Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you shortcut for a square of 3-digit number. So without wasting time, let's start.
Okay, a square of 3-digit number means we are going to learn how to find a square of number from 101 to 999. Okay, so by this technique we can find any number between 101 to 999 square. Okay, for this first we have to find out the base number. Base number could be 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350 till 950 to 1000. It will be depend on the number for which we have to find out the square. And also we should know the square till 25. Okay, so understand by an example. We have to find out the square of 112. Okay, so as I have told you, first we have to find out the base number. So nearest number would be the base number, means 112, nearest number is 100. Okay, so 100 is the base number, and the difference between 100 and 112 is 12. Now next step would be we have to add 12 in 112 and subtract 12 in 112. And third, we will write the square of difference. Difference is 12, so we have to write the square of 12, means 144, for which you have to learn square till 25. Okay, now what we will do? Now in next step, since we have add 112 plus 12, so we will write down 124 and multiply it by minus 112 minus 12 means 100. Okay, now we have to divide it like this, so we have to remove this 0. So if we will divide it by 100, so this 0 will be removed like this. Okay, but we can divide it by maximum 1000 because here 144 means 3 digits are here, so we can divide it by 10, 100 or 1000, and we have to remove only 2 zeros, so we have divided it by 100. So only we have used 2 places, 1 is left. So in the next step you have to understand that what we will do with this 1. So 124 we will get as it is. Now 1 we have to add here, and 44 will be the same. So 44 and 1 would be 1 carry would be here, so 4 plus 1 5 and 2 1. So this would be the square of 112. I think it is very easy. Okay, let's take another example. Take 147. Okay, first base number. So nearest number is not 100. In this case, nearest number is 150. So 150 would be the base number. And difference is 3 between 150 to 147. In second step, what we will do? We have to do plus 3 and minus 3 in 147. And here we will write down the square of difference. Okay, now in fourth step, when we will add 147 plus 3, we will get 150, and when we will subtract, we will get 144. And now we have to divide this to remove this 0. So here only 9, so we will divide it by 10, and also 10 will remove this 0. Now in fourth step, when we will multiply 15 into 144, what we will get? 2160. And we have used all the digits, so we will write down 9 as it is. So this is the square of 147. See, it's very simple. Okay, let's try another example. Like if we have taken 991. So first we have to choose base number. What would be the base number? It is the nearest to the 1000, we can see. So 1000 would be the base number. And the difference is, what is the difference? 9. Next step, 991. What we will do? Plus 9 minus 9. And we have to write down the square of 9, which is 81. Okay. Next step, when we will add this, what we will get? We will get 1000, and we'll subtract this. What we will get? We will get 982. Now we have to remove these zeros, but we can divide it maximum 100 because here only 2 digits. So we will divide it by 100. So this 100 will remove 2 zeros. So what we will get next is 9820, and we have used both the digits, so we will write as it is. So this is the square of 991. Hope it is very clear and very simple, and now you are able to do it in seconds. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, now you can think that we have taken number 100, number 1000, base number like this. So take a random number, example like 675. Okay. Now we will find out the square of 675. So for this, first we have to find base number, and then we will have to write difference. Okay, so base number will be 650 or 700. Both could be the base number, but we will choose 700 because this will make the calculation easier. And the difference would be 25. Okay, the difference of 700 and 675 is 25. Now second step, we will add 25 and subtract 25 from 675, and we will write down the square of 25, which is 625. Now in the next step, we will add this and get 700, and when we will subtract this, we will get 650. So here 3 zeros, so we have to remove 3 zeros. For this we have to divide it by 1000, and here check, yes, we can divide it by 1000. So when we will divide it by 1000, so we will get, we will 554. When we will multiply 7 by 65, we will get 455, and we will write this digit as it is. So this is the square of 675. I hope it is very clear, and this is very simple too. You will be able to solve in seconds. Only need practice. Okay, let's last example. We are going to do last example. Okay, last example. So let's take 733. Okay, if we have to find out the square of 733, so as I have told, base number. First find out the base number, then difference. So nearest number would be the base number, so 750, and difference between 750 and 733 is 17. Now next step, we will add 17 and subtract 17, and here we will write the square of 17. Okay, so by adding we will get 733 plus 17 is 750, and 733 minus 17 is 716. Now we have to divide, and maximum we can divide it by 1000. So if we will divide it by 1000, if we will divide it by 10, only remove 0, then calculation would be very big. Okay, 75 into 716, that is why we are dividing it by 1000, so that the calculation would be easier. We will reduce it by 25, 3s are 75, 4s are 100, then 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are, and 9s are. Okay, then multiply. 3 into 179 is 5, 3, 7. Okay, and since we have used all the 3 digits, so we will as by dividing it by 1000, so we will write 289. So this is the square of 733. Hope it is very clear to all of you, and it's very simple, isn't it? Yes, it is. So now you are able to find out the square of any 3-digit number till 999. So take your examples and try to find out. I hope now it is very clear to all of you. So keep practicing, because practice makes man perfect. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.